Hi, it's Mona here. In this video I am going to make this lovely birthday shaker card. I have started with the background first, where I decided to make rainbow ink blending, starting with various Distress Oxide colors. You can see the used colors on the right side. When the ink blending was done, I splattered on my background with clear water and soaked up the excess with a towel. And now I will use two more different mediums on this background through the Confetti stencils to create a fun look. For the first layer I will use the stencil with white gouache, which is a very similar medium like watercolor, but it's opaquer. I am just patting the paint through the stencil, and once it's done, I am just removing it, which I am cleaning with water afterwards. After a quick heat set, I am jumping to my next medium, what is a gold glitter gel. I place my second stencil to my card front and I am applying the gel on it with my spatula. Then I am removing the excess to save it for next time. I really like to experiment with the backgrounds and I really like how this turned out. I will let this air dry for 1 hour and until then I will create the other steps. I mark the center of the cardstock with the help of a T ruler and a pencil. This helps me to guide where to put the oval die, then I run it through my die cut machine. Next, I stamp this beautiful large sentiment to a piece of vellum with Versamark watermark ink, then I sprinkled on it fine gold embossing powder and gave it a heat set to heat emboss it. This sentiment is going to be the window of my shaker card, so I am adhering it to its right place with a tape runner. Then I am adhering adhesive strips on it as well to create the shaker part. I put clay confetti and tiny stars inside. Then I am closing it with a piece of acetate, so it will be easier to place it on my card base. I created a stitched card panel with the large stitched rectangle stackables to my background, then I customized my shaker card front panel. The only reason why I am doing it now is because I forgot to do it before. Just a few more dots with white and black pens to make the card more unique, and I can tell you, it's so zen. You should try it too. If you like rainbow cards without coloring, then this lovely shaker card is finished for you. But I am going to add some tiny birthday friends to the card front, which I stamped with VersaFine black ink to a smooth watercolor paper. Once the stamping was done, I gave it a heat set to fix the ink and prevent from ink smearing. Because these tiny friends are really tiny, I will make just a basic coloring with my coloring markers. I am using a few colors to blend them together, but I am not focusing so much on the exact blending. When the coloring was done, I added softer highlights with white pencil and pen here and there. This will pop the image out more. After this process, I die cut them with their coordinating dies. Once the die cutting was ready, I added the images to the card with liquid and 3D adhesives. And this is the finished birthday card. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you an amazing day. Bye!